The K-stretch comes with various parts required for assembly: 3 individual frame sections labeled A, B, and C, a torso strap with extenders, and a thigh pad featuring our Running Man logo. You will also find an exercise protocol guide and assembly card. Assembling the K-stretch is easy. First, lay all the items on a flat surface. Then, slide the thigh pad over the letter B onto each of the section B bars using the thigh pad holes. Now, connect each end of section A to the 2 section B bars via the push buttons. You will find a series of holes on the section B bars. These allow you to adjust the frame to best match your leg length. Now, connect section C to section B via the push buttons. Next, loop and attach one end of the torso strap around one of the section C buckles. If you need to use the extender straps, simply attach them onto each side of the main torso strap. Now, loop one end of the torso strap and attach it around one of the section C buckles. Then, swing the other end of the torso strap around your body. Then loop and attach it around the second section C buckle. You are now ready to exercise. We suggest watching the How to Use K-stretch video for usage instructions.